Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla Motors, SpaceX, big part of the New World Order. There's his Tesla bot, humanoid Tesla bots that I learned how to program this year. These things are insane. Get ready for 2025. Elon Musk's favorite saying is Novus Ordo Seclorum, which is New Order of the Ages or New World Order. The brother that just popped up out of nowhere that I don't think anyone knew about that Elon Musk had. And his brother is CEO and founder of Nova Sky Stories, worldwide leaders of drone entertainment. Okay, let's get to this patent quickly because the USA have a drone patent. So now we know that Elon Musk is somewhat connected to drones. Here's a United States government patent, US 201. There's your 201, right? It begins with 701-447-56A1, United States. Here's the abstract. I've shown you patents before. Sun simulator from 1971. Only 2 years after they supposedly landed on the moon, they got to work on their star sun simulator, and there's patents for it. So here's the drone. So people are seeing drones all over the world in the sky, and here is what's called a hunter drone. So let's see some of the capabilities of this hunter drone. So there's some of the dates for this drone, the patents, the citations, the claims for this drone, what it's comprised of. So we're going to go to the bottom of the list. Here we go. So you're going to see what's in store for us. This has been going back since 2005. System and method for intercepting a projectile. Unmanned aerial vehicle catcher. Catch and snare system for an unmanned aerial vehicle. It's also a rescue drone. System and method for the retrieval of a smaller unmanned aerial vehicle by a larger unmanned. This is insane. They've fully taken over the skies now. Unmanned air vehicle recovery system. Again, autonomous flying, not controlled by human. It's AI now. Device for catching a flying unmanned air. Look, release and capture of a fixed wing aircraft. Helicopter mediated system, a method for launching and retrieving an aircraft. Aircraft projectile. Device allowing the capture of live animals, and in particular that of pigeons. A weapon for immobilization and capture. Power supply for weapon for immobilization and capture. A helicopter destruction system employing cables. A net gun, like this thing sounds like a tank in the sky. Unmanned air vehicle weapon adapter. Aerial arresting system for unmanned aerial vehicle. Thermally conductive unmanned. Listen, this thing has all the tricks of the trade. A quick release valve air gun. This thing's going to have weapons, guns, thermal imaging, a net, catch and release. This is what we're seeing going on in the States right now. People are taking videos of these car-sized drones that can last up there for hours on end. So what does AI have to say about it? So I put the patent into ChatGPT, and here it is. It says this number here refers to a patent application published by the United States Patent and Trademark Office. To provide specific details about this patent, let me retrieve and review the patent description. So Project Bluebeam, look at some of these videos. No sound. Let me see what everyone's saying in the comments. So, okay. Oh boy. Okay, it's blowing up here. So Morella saying everything is programmed to the finest detail. Just need a good pair of eyes and an open mind to see. Thank you. Yep. That's why you got me here. I've been putting in, look at this stuff that Bluebeam and this drone technology can pull off. So Love Butterfly says, of course, Elon Musk is connected with all these scary things. Like they tell you to your face. It's not hard to see it. Setting the stage for the fake alien invasion. This is what I'm showing you. Everything to do with this final experiment in Antarctica is all to bring about this new world order, to crush the belief system of an enclosed system with a firmament, just as God's word describes in the Bible. They want to crush that belief system and bring back this universe and outside threats from other worlds potential, because that's the next card they're pulling.